Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching my previous video in Python. In today's video, we're going to be looking at mathematical expressions and operators in Python. So basically, we in programming there are a lot of times we need to carry out mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, exponentiation, division, and modulus operations as well. So it is necessary to know the right operators to be used because although most of these operators are similar in other programming languages, but there are little differences. So it's good for us to know the one that is peculiar to the language we are learning, which is Python. So without wasting much time, let us see how addition is done in Python. It's very simple. It's just by the use of the plus sign. 2 plus 3, for instance, gives us 5. So the plus sign is the same as what is the operator to be used whenever you want to carry out addition in Python. For subtraction, you use the minus sign. So 9 minus 5, for instance, gives us 4. Then to carry out multiplication operation, we make use of the asterisk symbol, which is on your number 8 on your keyboard. So let's see 4. Let's say 4 multiplied by 5 gives us 20. So that is how we carry out multiplication operation in Python. Now let's see if we want to divide 40. To divide, you use a forward slash. 40 divided by 5 gives us 8.0. Then let's see 25 divide by 5 gives us 5. So basically, if you want to carry out division operation in Python, you use the forward slash symbol. And then if you want to carry out exponentiation, let's say working with indices, you want to raise a number to a power, let's say 2 raised to the power of 5. You want to know what the answer is actually. To do that in Python, we use the double asterisk symbol. So for example, 2 to the power of 5 is expressed like this. 2 to the power of 5, which gives us 32. So I think this is one of the area of difference of Python from other languages. I think it's like language like basic use carry symbol are not is subject to confirmation. And then to carry out, let's say, integer division. What I mean by integer division is sometimes you want to know how many times a number goes into another number. Let's say 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 actually leaves a remainder of 1, but how many times can 2 go into 7? How many 2's do we have in 7? So in order to carry out that kind of operation, we use the double forward slash. Like for instance, 7 forward slash double forward slash 2 gives us 3. Though that is to tell us that what 2 can actually enter 7 3 times. That is, we have 2 3's in 7, leaving a remainder of 1. Now to find out the remainder, to get the remainder aspects of your operation, you can actually do that by using the percentage symbol. So I'll say 7 percentage 2. It's actually pronounced modulus 2. So you get a remainder of 1. So that's how we can actually do this. So we can get to know the remainder of of a division operation. We can get to know the integer aspect of a division. We can actually carry out exponentiation in Python and division and addition as well. So now let us now look at order of operation. That is the order of precedence when these operators are combined together. So for instance, let's say 9. I'll start with the basic one. 9 plus 2 minus 3. This one is pretty straightforward. This is because okay, from elementary mathematics we know that okay, the order of operation is abbreviated, or the acronym is BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It's not too different from what we have in Python. What we have in Python is we can actually use the acronym PEMDAS. Let me just type it out. Let me open the editor window. So I'll say it's PEMDAS like this. The P stands for parenthesis. The E stands for exponentiation. The M stands for multiplication. D division. A addition, ys subtraction. So this is the order of precedence whenever we have an operation. Now for the basic operation, like the one we are considering at the moment, whenever you have addition and subtraction in an expression only, the operation is done from the left hand side to the right hand side. So in this case, it is actually 9 plus 2, which gives us what? 11. Then 11 minus 3 gives us 8. So that is what happens when you have minus and plus combined together in an expression. So the computer treats it like, okay, Python evaluates it by what? Carrying it out from what? The left hand side towards the right hand side. This is because addition and subtraction are on the same level of precedence. Now, for an expression such as 9 plus 2 minus 3 multiplied by 4, or let me say, okay, multiply by 2, divide by 4. And let's see what this gives us. This gives us 9.5. This is how this is done. So let's go back to what we have, the order of operation again. So here we said it is what? Parenthesis first, exponentiation first, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in our example here, which we are considering at the moment, what happens here is that according to the order of operation, since multiplication comes before division, multiplication is treated first. So what you are having is 3 multiplied by 2. That gives us 6. Then 6 divides 4 to give us that is 1.5. Then it is done like, okay, 9 plus 2 minus 1.5. That gives us 9.5. That's what happens there. So whenever we have that, this is how Python evaluates it. Now let us look at the case whereby the parenthesis is involved. Okay. Okay, let me just open up another interactive shell window. Sorry for that. So, okay, now let's say we have 9 plus 2 minus 3, or let's say minus, open parenthesis, 3 multiplied by 6, close parenthesis, then /9, /2. So let's see, this gives us 2.0. Okay, like we said, the operation begins with the parenthesis. So 3 multiplied by 6 gives us 18. Then 18 is divided by 2, which gives us 9. Then the operation begins from the left hand side towards the right hand side. So what we simply have is what? 9 plus 2 minus 9. So this gives us what? The answer of what? 2. So this is how the operations in mathematical expressions are treated in Python. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really encourage you to add your comments on how I can actually improve on this video, the quality and everything like that, quality of delivery. I need your comments, and I want you to stay to subscribe to my channel. If you are viewing this for the first time, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.